quick coffee break. Where Jace has gone. It was coffee time. Better give Jace a call, see what he's at. Hey Jace, got a copy?
Yeah, mate, got ya.
I don't know where you are, but I just stopped over near a little gully over here to make a quick coffee, as I do, and there's a cracking water hole over here, mate. You should come and check it out.
Yeah, where are you?
Hang on a sec, I'll send you my location with that new thing with the app on your phone. Hang on.
Oh yeah, copy that.
So I pair, my phone actually pairs to the radio, and I go ting on my app on my phone, and then I press that, and that'll send a message to Jace.
You got it, mate? You send it through?
Yeah, it's coming through now, mate. You should be seeing it any second.
Yeah, mate, got it. I got it on my map. All right, I'll come and find you.
All right, mate, see you shortly. How good's that? There's absolutely no phone service out here, just the UHF radio.
So he's just sent me his map location on the Uniden app, and I'm able to pinpoint where his radio is. That's pretty cool.
How good's that?
There you are, mate, on the map.
Straight there.
Gotcha.
How clever's that? Just with the UHF. Boom, there it is, right
There
there.
you are. All right, now where's this mission spot?
Hey, look at it just down in here, mate.
Oh, yeah, that's
Fall
cool.
of water.
Go and check her out.